Take a brief pause and focus for a moment, because what we're about to discuss matters more than most people realize. Inside your body right now, countless microscopic processes are happening every second. Among them is an ongoing battle. Your cells are constantly being exposed to damage. Their DNA, the instruction manual that keeps everything running, is under regular stress from sources you often can't see or completely avoid. Over time, if that damage accumulates faster than your body can repair it, the risk of serious conditions, including cancer, can increase. But there's another side to this story, one that deserves just as much attention. Your body is not defenseless. It has built-in systems designed to protect, repair, and maintain itself. And the everyday choices you make, especially what you eat, can influence how well those systems perform. I'm Dr. Christopher Daniel Dunch, and welcome to the Stronger Man Lab. Here we focus on real research-backed insights and turn them into practical steps you can actually use, without exaggeration or false promises. Today we're going to explore how certain everyday foods interact with your body at a cellular level, including how they may support DNA protection and normal cellular function. By the end, you may start thinking about your meals in a completely different way. Let's begin with a key point that isn't talked about enough. DNA damage is not rare, it's part of normal life. Every day, each cell in your body is exposed to thousands of potential disruptions. These can come from natural metabolic processes, sunlight, environmental pollutants, dietary factors, and even prolonged stress. Fortunately, your body is equipped with advanced repair systems. Specialized enzymes continuously scan your DNA, identifying and fixing errors with remarkable accuracy. However, these systems don't operate in isolation. They depend on proper support. Nutrients, molecular signals, and a balanced internal environment all play a role in how effectively these repair processes function. When diets are dominated by highly processed foods, excess sugar, and chronic inflammation, these repair systems may not perform at their best. On the other hand, nutrient-rich foods can help support the conditions your body needs to maintain itself. Let's look at one important category, cruciferous vegetables. This includes foods like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, and kale. While they're often labeled simply as healthy, what's happening inside them is far more interesting. These vegetables contain compounds that, when chopped or chewed, interact to form sulforaphane, a naturally occurring substance that has been widely studied for its role in supporting the body's detoxification processes. Sulforaphane influences a cellular pathway known as NRF2. This pathway helps regulate the production of enzymes involved in managing oxidative stress and processing potentially harmful compounds. Some research has also explored how these compounds may affect abnormal cell behavior under laboratory conditions. While this doesn't translate directly into treatment, it highlights how diet can interact with biological systems in meaningful ways. Including cruciferous vegetables a few times per week is a simple step with potential benefits. Light preparation methods, like gentle steaming, can help preserve their active compounds. Another concept to understand is epigenetics. For many years it was believed that genes were fixed and unchangeable. Today we know that gene activity can be influenced by lifestyle factors, including nutrition. Genes function more like switches than permanent instructions. Some are active, others are inactive, and environmental inputs help determine which are expressed. Certain nutrients have been studied for their role in influencing these patterns. One example is EGCG, a compound found in green tea. It has been researched for its potential to interact with processes involved in gene regulation and cellular protection. Drinking green tea regularly, or choosing matcha, which is more concentrated, can be a practical way to include this compound in your routine. Let's talk about quercetin. This plant compound is found in foods like apples, red onions, capers, kale, and tea. It belongs to a group known as flavonoids, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research has examined how quercetin may interact with cellular processes involved in inflammation and oxidative stress. It has also been studied in laboratory settings for its effects on enzymes linked to cell replication. Another important aspect is synergy, how different nutrients work together. Quercetin appears to have enhanced effects when combined with compounds like vitamin C or resveratrol, highlighting the value of a varied whole food diet. Resveratrol is another compound often discussed in this context. It's found in foods like red grapes, blueberries, peanuts, and mulberries. It has been studied for its role in activating proteins associated with cellular maintenance and repair. Some research suggests it may support processes related to DNA stability and inflammation regulation. It has also been explored for its interaction with cellular energy pathways. Adding foods like berries and grapes into your daily routine is a simple way to include it. Now let's turn to curcumin. Curcumin is the primary active compound in turmeric, a spice widely used in traditional cooking. It has been extensively studied for its role in inflammation and cellular signaling pathways. One of its known challenges is absorption. However, combining turmeric with black pepper, specifically a compound called piperine, can significantly improve how well the body absorbs it. This pairing has been used in cooking for generations, and modern research supports its effectiveness. Incorporating turmeric and black pepper into meals, such as soups, curries, or warm beverages, is an easy way to include it. Omega-3 fatty acids are another key piece. Found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, omega-3s play a structural role in cell membranes. They influence how cells communicate and respond to signals, including those related to inflammation. Research has linked higher omega-3 intake with various aspects of long-term health, including fish a few times per week or using algae-based sources for plant-based diets can help maintain a balanced intake. Now let's bring all of this together into a practical approach. This isn't about strict rules or complicated plans. It's about building consistent habits, including vegetables like broccoli or cabbage several times a week, adding berries and grapes into your daily meals or snacks, using onions and other plant foods regularly in cooking, drinking green tea or matcha as part of your routine, incorporating turmeric and black pepper together in meals, eating omega-3 rich foods a few times each week. These are accessible, affordable choices that don't require major lifestyle changes, just consistency. It's important to be clear about something. Food is not a cure for cancer, and it should never replace medical care. If you are dealing with a health condition, especially something serious like cancer, working with qualified healthcare professionals is essential. What we're discussing here is prevention and support. How everyday habits can contribute to an environment in the body that supports normal function and resilience. Here's the takeaway. Your body is not passive. It responds continuously to what you eat, how you live, and the environment you create for it. Every meal is an opportunity to provide support or to withhold it. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start small, add one vegetable, swap one drink, adjust one habit. Over time, those small steps build something meaningful. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit. And if you want more content like this, stay connected. This is the Stronger Man Lab. I'm Dr. Christopher Daniel Dunch. Take care of your body. It's the only one you have.